One of the most important questions and the interesting question which I used to get from buddy product managers and from a different business functions. What are the roles of a product manager? Very interesting. The reason behind people wants to know what exactly this product manager do. Interesting because the way the product managers revolve around the clock basically. It's interesting. So what I do, I generally divide the role of a product manager in five eyes. So what are those five eyes? Interesting, right? So five eyes is simply defining the roles of a product manager. The first eye ideate, second eye innovate, third eye implement, fourth eye iterate, fifth eye improve. What does it mean? It starts from ideation phase, where the product managers are responsible to ideate a solution for the given problem. Sometimes they have to spend time to ideate the right problems also. So ideation, it doesn't mean it's all about the solution. It's all about ideating the right problems also. Then second I represents the innovate. Innovate means the product managers doesn't solve only today's problems. They think for the future. They try to solve for a future and try to innovate something which is scalable. The third part is implement, because ideation and innovation is all about the talk. You can talk about n number of innovative ideas, you can ideate n number of ideas, but the moment you need to implement those ideas, then the real execution comes into the picture. So as a product manager, you are responsible to get your ideas executed on the ground. You have to implement it so that one can see the real product. But as a virtue of the nature of a product manager, you can't guarantee the success of this product. So then what is happening next? Next is the fourth eye, where you have to iterate. It means you have to keep on iterating on whatever ideas you are proposing or whatever implementation you have done. It means you have to learn from the past and then iterate fast. It means whatever ideas you are giving, you might fail, but you have to fail fast. You have to iterate fast so that you will not lose the trust of the consumers and the business from your ideas, from your innovation, and from your implementation approach. So that's why iterate fast is the key for a product manager. And at the end of the day, whatever idea you are giving, whatever innovations you are talking about, whatever implementation you have done, and even if you're doing multiple iteration, but if you're not able to improve the metric, if you're not able to impact the business, I don't think you are doing a justice to the product management role. You have to have a gut to improve the business metric. You have to improve on the consumer KPI, and that's where you get all the trust and the support from the business leaders, and the consumers will love your product. Sometimes I get these questions from a different set of people asking about how does this product management role is different from a consultant or a business expert. So very simple. All these consultants are expert in identifying the right problem, ideating the right solutions, providing all the innovative solutions. But the moment it comes to the implementation, the moment it comes to the iteration, the moment it comes to own the business KPI and the consumer KPI, that's where I think the role of the product manager comes to the picture. So it's a mix of the consultant role, where we will be telling a lot of good stories, talking about new ideas, innovations and all. But at the same time, we are going to own the complete execution. We are going to iterate your ideas and you're going to own the complete business impact. That's what makes this product management role interesting and exciting. Thank you.